Instagram notification history. Yeah, in this case, maybe you're asking yourself how I'm gonna view my Instagram notification history. Don't worry about it. This is so easy and so quick. For example, when you're on your profile selection, or if you go on your feed screen, which is on the first side right here, and simply, as you can see right down, you have 5 different options, and you need to go on the 4th one, which is by the heart section. This is the activity session, also the notification history. By scrolling down, you can take off what's going on your profile selection. And also, the second thing what you can do to take off your notification history, you can go into your email. Yeah, just go for it. And simply from there you can check it, the same thing with the same session. For example, if you go on the 3 dots right here, and as you can see here, you have to check your calendar or all that stuff selection, and after you get into that file selection, you go social, because this is where you can check over for Twitter, Instagram, and all these applications which are for social media.